channel. If you're new here, I'm Christine. Sorry guys for the noise. If you can hear in the background my crying child. Sorry, she really had her tantrums. But anyway, the show must go on. So welcome back to my channel. Okay, for the longest time now, I've really been trying to renovate or do a makeover on my bathroom because it really is so plain. There's not much of an attitude to it, or it's just so simple, plain and simple. I just want to have a different look of my bathroom, but it really takes lots of hours of work, effort, and everything just to have the finished look of this bathroom. And I hope you really like this video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Your comments and suggestions is very much appreciated, as well as it would really help me so much in how to improve in my next videos. And please subscribe to my channel, and also feel free to share this to your friends, relatives, and acquaintances, I guess. So let's see the video. Oh, I guess I didn't mention that my bathroom is really tiny. It's just approximately 2 square meters. So can you imagine how tiny it is? I really have a hard time shooting this film or this video because of how small it is. So I guess I just need to let the video rolling and let you see how small it is. It really is. Okay guys, I would like to welcome you now officially to the tiny bathroom that I was talking about, and this is really it. Can you imagine how tiny it is? And this one, it is even a broken cover, but I would not spend another thing in buying a new one, but I would plan just to do something and cover that. This is plain, yes, that's, as I mentioned, I will just have to cover that. The bathroom is so bare, and I'm planning to put a caddy so that I could put my soap dish and other toiletries there. So I will just hide that.